theme of the book of Hebrews is the superiority of Christ. Paul's sermon in Athens took place at the Areopagus. In Romans 16, Paul commends Phoebe, a deaconess from Cenchreae. The book of Jude is a warning against ungodly intruders in the church. Which of these women is not in Jesus' genealogy in Matthew? Esther. Hebrews argues Jesus is a high priest in the order of Melchizedek. In Acts, a riot started in Ephesus over the temple of Artemis. The term for God's wrath-appeasing sacrifice in Romans 3 propitiation, hilasterion. In Revelation 2, the church that left its first love Ephesus. In Acts 13, who was the proconsul of Cyprus converted? Sergius Paulus. The star called Wormwood in Revelation affects the third part of the rivers. Paul's trade or profession was a tent maker. In Romans 9, Paul wishes he were accursed for the sake of
You're doing great!
his kinsmen, the Israelites. The 7 sons of Sceva were defeated by a demon in Ephesus. Hebrews states the word of God is sharper than a two-edged sword. In Revelation, the church of Laodicea is described as lukewarm. In Matthew, Jesus pays the temple tax with a coin from a fish's mouth. Jude describes Michael the archangel disputing with Satan over the body of Moses. In Acts 5, who was the Pharisee that defended the apostles? Gamaliel. In Romans 1, who does Paul say exchanged the truth for a lie? Those who worshipped creation. The number of the beast in Revelation 13 is 666. Who is considered the first Christian martyr in the book of Acts? Stephen. In Romans, Paul's core argument is that justification is by faith. The silversmith who started the riot in Ephesus was named Demetrius. In Hebrews 7, Melchizedek is described as being without Genealogy. Which church in Revelation is called dead, but has a few who are worthy? Sardis. Matthew parable unforgiving servant debt was? $10,000 talents. Who physically wrote Romans for Paul? Tertius. Antioch sent who with Paul first trip?
Don't give up now.
Barnabas. Rev 5 Jesus wore the open scroll because Lion of Judah and the Lamb. On Cyprus, Paul confronted and blinded what sorcerer? Elymas or Jesus. Hebrews 6 warns against falling away after having once been. Enlightened. Who fell from window during Paul's sermon troll? Eutychus. Rev 1. Jesus' eyes described as a flame of fire. What did Pilate's wife warn him about Jesus? She had a troubling dream. Revelation addressed how many churches, Asia? Seven. Rom 11. Paul uses what plant Israel Gentiles? An olive tree. Paul was from what prominent city known for its learning? Tarsus. The two witnesses in Revelation 11 have power to? Shut up the sky so it will not rain. Hebrews' faith is assurance of things hoped for? Things not seen. After viper bite Malta Islanders, thought Paul? A murderer, then a god. Sadducees wrong about resurrection because the scriptures or God's power. The Jerusalem Council in Acts 15 dealt with the issue of circumcision for Gentile believers. The church of Thyatira in Revelation was rebuked for tolerating the woman Jezebel. Hebrews 12 contrasts Mount Zion with which other mountain? Mount Sinai. Rom 15, Paul wants travel what western region? Spain. In Matthew's parable of the workers, the owner paid everyone? The same wage. Purple seller from Thyatira converted Philippi? Lydia. In Revelation 2, Christ promises the overcomer in Pergamum? Hidden manna and a white stone. Acts Saul, conversion on road to. Damascus. Rom 8, creation waits in expectation for. Revelation of the sons of God. Which Roman governor of Judea described Paul as mad? Festus. Heb 9 ark contained what besides tablets? A golden pot of manna. Church promised pillar and temple of my God? Philadelphia. Acts 17. Paul quoted poet, "For we are his." Offspring. The disciple who replaced Judas Iscariot was named? Matthias. Rev final chapter. What flows from God's throne? The river of the water of life. In Romans 7, Paul describes sin as a law at work in his. Members. The woman raised from the dead by Peter in Joppa was named Tabitha Dorcas. In Revelation 17, the woman sits on a scarlet beast whip. Seven heads and 10 horns. Hebrews 10 states that the law is only a shadow of the good things to come. Rev 4, 4 creatures not described as having? The face of a horse. Ethiopian eunuch reading which prophet? Isaiah. Rom 16, Paul warns, watch out those who cause divisions and offenses. Synagogue of Satan mentioned in which churches? Smyrna and Philadelphia. In Acts, Paul is a Roman citizen by birth. In Matthew 25, the sheep are separated from the goats based on their treatment of the needy. Heb 13, hospitality as some have entertained? Angels unawares. Rev New Jerusalem comes down out of heaven from God.
Congratulations! You've completed the Holy Quest. Subscribe for more epic challenges.